We try staying on black and white and red themes. That is my 3 favorite colors though. And floating on the top of your condensed glue gels, this will help to grab all that crystals, base, and charms. Let me see. Looks cool. And we're gonna use silver for this. We'll see how it's gonna take us to doing it fun on this one. This one, the black one, is really cool. It's just really stand out. And I'm gonna pick just the smaller crystals because I don't want it to cover my cute flowers here. I just want to make sure I don't miss anyone's questions. If I do, then I will try to answer everyone's.
So CC asks, what are the clear looking crystal called?
Clear looking crystals?
Yes, maybe she asked, so the opal on your finger, maybe?
Oh, this one?
That's what I'm
CC?
thinking.
CC, that's what your question?
Just what a clear looking crystal. So I think probably she talked about the opal on your finger.
That's the one I have CC. Then if it's a crystal on my fingers, I have a white opal, I have green opal, I have pink opals, and I have a white opal.
Yeah.
Like I have a look like a moonstone, but it's really cool. I like it. It's like I have really low keys.
Yep, and Debbie say you should put some crystal in the little dot in the center.
Oh, okay. We're gonna definitely do that, Debbie. I think it's look fun even if you don't do any crystal too, but I just want crystal. I don't know if you're feeling the same with me, but I feel so naked when I don't have any crystal. Or just maybe just me. Oh, thanks for reminding me, Debbie. It's so fun that I got to see everyone. I should be back like regular tomorrow. We're gonna try to get the schedules like doing earlier. So we'll definitely let everyone know. Right, I'm gonna move this one just a little bit on the side because we definitely don't want to cover those flowers. Right there. Do you want to have the red on that flowers, cherry, whatever collection they call that? Looks super cute. Or should we do the black one? You lady pick. Let's go randomly. Let me read comment 1 second. Oops, sorry. Red. All right, red colors. our luxury Louis right there. Let me find if I can find a tiny one. So if you don't want this, you absolutely can leave it alone. But if you want to get some red on it, like, you can leave it alone or some red. All right. CC could have asked Alexa. Oh, thanks so much, Foxy. Thank you so much, ladies. We couldn't have done our funs like design like this without you all. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and key this one for 60 seconds. If you want to add more beats on it, I think I'm gonna add just one more right here to make it. There's a reason I'll stay in the same theme at maybe one more. Black and white and red. But you can do a black and white theme. It's really cool. I think it's gonna be so stunning as usual. It's kind of fun today to have all of you ladies helping me and participate with me. I really appreciate it. I'm so enjoying it. I know now I shouldn't start doing more crystal because now you see I'm gonna start bling this nails, everything. Maybe I was like leave a little bit space of the Louis and then flowers, otherwise I'll bling everything else. You can leave it alone right here. Great. So here for 60 seconds. I still feel something missing though. He laughed because I put so much. It's okay, doesn't matter. I like him. Yes, oh my God, you think you're missing? Yeah, I'm missing more crystals. He laughed like, what? You missing that? Hugh's being really mean today. Do you think so? Someone just help me get my back, please. He's so mean. He's being grumpy today, and I'm not gonna put up with that. I'm getting my red on my design. Hey, thank you so much, Nichols. Thank you, love. Whitney, bling bling. I know, it's just so much fun. Let me see if I read comments for a minute. It's just so fun, like just two is so simple. It could be really fun and simple. It could be like a little bit complicated for fusionings in obsidian and pearly white. This is two of my favorite colors in the collection too, and it's really. Oh, thank you so much, Debbie. Let me see if I miss anything. Okay, bling that baby out. All right, you can never. Yes, you can never have enough. She missing her foil. Hold on, let me see. Thank you, Nichols. Hold on, let's see. I missed something. Miss any of I was trying to say put 6 Pixie crystal on the design, but I didn't know the name. That's a crystal Pixie, I think. I think it's CC. All right. Okay, now I am going to using precision glue. Yep, it's easy. If you want to see some of Pixie crystals done, we're definitely gonna be like doing it one of the requests for you. All right, so we're gonna using, if you're first time tuning in, I am using a precision glue and I am filling this between all the cracks and the edges of the crystal. I'm sharing it over and over because this will help you so much to the point that you can sit back and really ensure your crystals stay in a nice place. It's not gonna catching the client's hair or anything that they would be doing its normal activity, like even like pull the like her pants or putting her like leggings, anything. It's happened to me, so I know it. Like, you can name it. But this is keep it away, and then she still have really nice crystals, crystal placements on her nails, but without have to worry about like catching or anything. Because the more she get catching or clients that catching on her hair, is easier for the crystal to be like come up. But this one is with Trifecta. I'm using condensed glue gel, no white top coat, and precision glue. Just is absolutely keep it really super secure. Stay in one place. I'm going to using precision size, which is a brush of the tinted brush, and I'm gonna give it a quick swipe, so it's gonna help blending all the extra precision glue that I'm using. All right, so I'm gonna cure this one for 60 seconds.